Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to increase download speed in Opera GX. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I would like to share a system setting, okay, before we dive in to Opera GX. Now, first up, go ahead and find your search bar and type down Control Panel, okay? So go ahead and click on Control Panel. Now go to the top right, make sure that you're under Large Icons. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Now at the top left, we have Change Adapter Settings. And then go ahead and double click on the network that you're currently using. Now click on Properties right here. Go and find Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties and copy my settings. Right? Obtain an IP address automatically and use the following DNS server. 8.8.8.8 and then 8.8.4.4. Now, once that's done, just hit on OK and go ahead and test your Opera GX. Now, if it feels laggy or it makes the situation much worse, well, you could go ahead and try the Cloudflare's DNS server. Okay, 1.1.1.1, and then alternate would be 1.0.0.1. Okay, well, once that's done, just click on OK. Now go ahead and test it out. Okay. Now, after that, you can now go ahead and go to your Opera GX, just like so. Now go ahead and go to the URL box, open up a new tab, type down opera:/flags. Okay? Again, opera:/flags. Now go ahead and hit on enter. And in here, go ahead and use the search function once more. And then we're going to find parallel downloading, this one. So what we're going to do in here is just make sure that it is toggled as enabled. Okay, make sure that enable or enabled is selected. Now it says here enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed, which is available for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Okay, now if you're happy with it, well, go ahead and click on relaunch. Now go ahead and click on quit Opera. Wait for it to reopen, and then once that's done, you should be good to go. And that is how you increase download speed in Opera GX. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.